Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenchology. I'm Stormy, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review of these awesome Grypmats. So the company is called Grypmat, and they sent me this 3-piece bundle that my husband and I have actually been really enjoying. We use them for a lot of things. The main thing is so you're not losing your tools. I really like these for multiple reasons, being they have measurements on them on the professional series that they sent me. They have green or orange, but I got green for the promo. They also do really good at keeping sockets in place if you're trying to put specific things in specific places. I also work on the floor a lot, so being able to put this on the floor, not have my tools roll around on me, and being able to keep them in one place and then also pick it up when you're done to go. That's really helpful. I really like that as someone who's working on multiple projects all the time, it seems. My husband and I also really like them for being non-conductive. It's got a non-slip surface, but because of the silicone, it's going to be non-conductive when we're working on high voltage vehicles or battery boxes, anything like that. These will be good to be able to make sure we're not going to have any thermal events. So really, I thought that was really cool. They're made for aerospace mechanics, I believe. So being able to put it on the plane and not have it slip off is a big deal. I noticed I can also do this on my motorcycle. The only issue I see is if you have any dust or anything, you want to make sure your surface is clean. If there's dust, it's not going to stick as well, but it absolutely cleans off super easily. I just use some of my general cleaner on it, Fabuloso specifically, to clean it up, and it cleans up super quickly, super easily, and then we're right back in action. These also have a hook and loop system if you want to hang them up. I know specifically the other one doesn't have that, so I thought that was really cool. Otherwise, I'm super happy with them. I think anybody who wants to have a cool little tool storage would definitely want to invest in these. Like I said, I work on the floor a lot, so it's kind of helpful to have your own little bag, if you will. And then them being silicone, they clean up really well, so when grease and stuff gets on there, you don't have to worry about it making a mess or soaking into a fabric or anything. So that's pretty much my whole review. I'm really happy and satisfied with my product. Thank you so much, Grypmat. The links, if you want to get one for yourself, will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Till next time.